Hello guys, welcome to my channel Nepali Science Club. Today I am going to show you how to install and run Windows XP on Android smartphone. For installing and running Windows XP on Android smartphone, you need to download Limbo PC emulator and Windows XP image file on your phone. After downloading both files, please install Limbo PC emulator on your phone. After installing Limbo PC emulator on your phone, you can open it and follow the instruction as shown on the video. After following all the necessary steps, now you can run Windows XP on your phone. The Windows XP operating system is very smooth. You can run some small software on it, and you can also browse internet on Windows XP. Okay, do enjoy Windows XP on your phone. And at last, please don't forget to do likes and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.